पिछले साल पंजाब की एक जेल में एक कैदी ने मेरा हाथ थाम कर मुझसे कहा, सर आपने मुझे कानून से ज़्यादा कीमती चीज़ दी, ये यकीन कि मैं अपने जुर्म से बड़ा हूँ। मैं और मेरे चंद दोस्त उन कैदियों को पैरालीगल की तालीम देने जाते थे ताकि वो अपने मुकदमे को बेहतर तरीके से समझ सकें और अपनी रिहाई और हकूक़ के लिए ख़ुद आवाज़ उठा सकें। ये कोर्स जिसे हम प्रिजन पैरालीगल क्लिनिक कहते हैं, मुझे इसी यूनिवर्सिटी ने दिया था। Respected faculty, honored guests, beloved parents, and my fellow graduates of class of 26, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। सच ये है कि उस जेल में मैंने जितना सिखाया उससे कहीं ज़्यादा सीख कर आया हूँ, और ये सिर्फ मेरी कहानी नहीं है। We walk through these gates as one kind of person. We are walking out, each one of us, as someone else entirely. That is what a good university does to you. And if you want to see it, just look at the people who have walked out of here before us. You see it in Haseeb Ahsan Javed, who, as the president of the LUMS Law Alumni Association, established a fund so that no deserving student is ever turned away from these gates for want of money. You see it in our own alumni and instructors who have filed writ petitions on issues such as environmental degradation, Afghan refugees, animal rights, labor, and countless other causes that might otherwise never found a voice in the courtroom. Different hands, different causes, and yet one unmistakable thread running through all of them. Each one of them took what this place gave and turned it outward towards someone else. If I had the opportunity to work across the whole spectrum of activities on this campus, मगर इन सब से जो चीज़ मेरे साथ चले रहेगी वो कोई टाइटल नहीं है. It is a moment from the peer tutoring program where I watched a nervous first year, convinced कि ये जगह उसके लिए नहीं है, slowly find their feet and then a year later hold out the same hat to someone else, because that is what this university does to you. And yet, lest I make it sound terribly noble, the classroom was never the whole of it. 5 years here were also Muhammad Ali Kumail, Saad Mahmood, Yusra Rasool, Mujib, Sela, Haider, Umair, Hassan Alvi, Yahya, and Ans, and far too many other people to name without turning this into a roll call. The people who quietly turned this university into a home. They were the things that no transcript will ever record. रात देर तक खोखे पे बैठकर कार्ड्स खेलना until the night itself gave up on us. लॉ स्कूल की मूवी नाइट्स और बाकी इवेंट्स में मुफ्त खाना एंजॉय करना. Because let us all be honest, nothing tastes quite as good as मुफ्ता. Quizzes और finals की तैयारी में अनगिनत नाइटर्स लगाना, and most sacred of all, रात सारी जाग कर सुबह PDC से हलवा पूड़ी, for no cause grander than that. और ढेरों और यादें, those are the things I will actually be carrying out of these gates today. And just this morning at 5:20 a.m., my phone lit up with a message from one of my instructors, Sir Fahad Malik. He said, this might be the last time that you meet some of the people you have grown accustomed to being the peripherals to your life. Make something out of that fact. And it struck me just how many such people these are. People who were never the headlines of our story here, मगर जिनके बगैर ये कहानी अधूरी रहती. So let me make something of it right now. To everyone who quietly filled these 5 years, thank you. If you take one thing from me today, let it be this. अच्छी नौकरी एक ज़रिया है, मंजिल नहीं. The goal is freedom, and not only your own, but the real work of the life is using your freedom to widen someone else's. So be kind, be gentle, be a little too kind, I would say, because यकीन मानिए इससे आज तक किसी का बुरा नहीं हुआ. Every one of us standing here is privileged, and privilege almost always rests somewhere down the line on someone else's lack of it. I will spare you with the research from my senior project on prisons, but I cannot spare you with one sentence that one of the prisoners said to me that has stayed with me ever since. He said, हमारा माशरा ऐसा है जहाँ बद से ज़्यादा बदनाम बुरा है. We get to choose every single day whether to be that society or something gentler. And that, I think, is the real gift of this law school. It does not simply hand you a degree. It hands you a question and gives you the teachers, the freedom, and the courage to chase it. Admittedly, you will fail. All of us will. But do not let a single failure reach forward and spoil the moments that you're yet to achieve. For ships do not sink because of the water around them, they sink because of the water they let in. Therefore, take the lesson, leave the weight, and keep moving forward. और मुश्किल वक्त में just remember a line from Three Idiots that I keep close. Life में कितनी भी बड़ी problem हो, दिल से कहो, कोई बात नहीं, सब ठीक है, all is well. We graduate at a strange hour where the world is being stretched to its very limits in ways that will one day ask our generation to explain itself. This education has prepared us for that reckoning, but only if we are willing to spend it on someone other than ourselves. So go and find your direction, and when you do remember, मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मिल जाए तुझको दरिया तो समंदर तलाश कर. Before I conclude, I would like to thank my mentors, my friends, and especially my family, my parents, my brothers, and my sister-in-law for their continuous support and love. I love you all. Thank you and congratulations to you and your families, for it is no small feat to have achieved what you have achieved today. Thank you.